How can I troubleshoot any issues that arise during the resetting process of an ADT alarm system?
In this video, we will discuss how to troubleshoot any issues that arise during the resetting process of an ADT alarm system. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process and address any potential issues.
What should I do if my ADT alarm system doesn't reset?
1. Check the power source. Ensure that the alarm system is connected to a working power source. Inspect the cables, connections, and circuit breakers for any signs of damage. 2. Verify the battery. Confirm that the backup battery is properly installed and functioning. Replace it if necessary. 3. Examine the sensors. Inspect all sensors for any obstructions, damage, or improper installation. Adjust or replace as needed. 4. Reset the system manually. If the system still isn't resetting, try a manual reset by following the manufacturer's instructions.
What if I get an error code or message during the resetting process?
1. Consult the user manual. Look for the specific error code or message in your ADT alarm system user manual. This should provide guidance on how to resolve the issue. 2. Contact ADT support. If the error code or message isn't listed in the manual, reach out to ADT customer support for further assistance.
How can I fix communication issues between the alarm system and my smartphone?
1. Confirm the Wi-Fi connection. Check that both your smartphone and ADT alarm system are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. 2. Update the ADT app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the ADT app on your smartphone. Update it if necessary. 3. Restart your devices. If the problem persists, try restarting both your smartphone and the ADT alarm system.
What should I do if I can't remember my master code or user code?
1. Check the user manual. Look for the default codes in your ADT alarm system user manual. 2. Contact ADT support. If the default codes don't work, reach out to ADT customer support for help. They may be able to reset your codes remotely or guide you through the process. Following these troubleshooting steps should help you address any issues that arise during the resetting process of your ADT alarm system. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact ADT customer support for further assistance.